Welcome to the world of trivia. Discover intriguing facts, hidden histories, and surprising stories from across the world. Expand your knowledge and wild guess. Let's go! Which country did Vuvuzela sounds become iconic at sporting events, particularly football, soccer matches? A. Argentina. B. Spain. C. Germany. D. South Africa. The correct answer is South Africa. Did you know that? Vuvuzela is a plastic horn that produces a loud, distinctive buzzing sound. It gained worldwide recognition during the 2010 FIFA World Cup held in South Africa and has become a symbol of South African sporting events, especially football soccer matches.